Hi everyone, I am Jashwant. I was given a task to design a network to support 5 IP phones with dial extensions of respective phones as per your roll number. My roll number is 11. Today I will show how to design and configure the voice over IP in Packet Tracer software. Well, now you are seeing this Packet Tracer software. I have designed a network. Let's see how we can design this network. First, we will go to this add devices here and then you can see different devices here. I selected this IP phone and placed these 5 IP phones. Now, after placing this, uh, we place the switch and router from network devices. Here you can see the router and the switch. From switch, I have picked 2980 and from routers, I have taken 2811 router and now we have to do the connections between them. I connected my IP phone with the switch, the straight Ethernet cable you are seeing here. This is the straight Ethernet cable. I have connected between with this, and then from switch to router also we connected with the straight Ethernet cable, uh, where the default connection between the IP and switch is fast Ethernet 0 by 0, 0 by 1, 0 by 2. Like that, we connect these IP phones with switch and then switch to router also 0 by 0 fast Ethernet 0 by 0 port. After after connecting these router switch and IP phones, now we will enable the power in the in this IP phone by just connecting this power card to the IP phone here in a graphical manner. After connecting this, we switch on all these IP phones. Now we have to configure this router in order to work in order to make a connection between this and communication between these IP phones. Let's see how we can configure it. Well, they have given a tutorial in a packet tracer website. I will show this website and the tutorial basic steps. There are 5 basic steps here. Configure call manager and use various cell phone devices. Set up dial peers. Connect Cisco IP phones on the network. Well, they have given a basic network connection, and here you can see our router enabling the router and enabling the port that connecting the router with the switch, that is fast Ethernet 0 by 0, and initializing our IP address like that, and we create this DHCP pool named voice. These are some default steps we have to follow in order to configure our IP phone setup. And then here in this second task, we are defining our maximum number of IP phones here and maximum number of directory numbers where we have to dial from one phone to other, and we assign these numbers on a graphical user interface in IP phone, and then we configure voice VLAN on switch A with these steps, and then we assign our directory numbers to each phone like this. E phone D1 means first IP phone has this IP, this extension number, and the second IP phone has this extension number. Like that, we assign these numbers here for our 5 IP phones. Here my roll number is 11 multiplied with 5, so I assigned 055, 165, 110 like that. For the 5 IP phones, I have assigned my extension numbers, and we can verify them with the graphical user interface here by dialing this on keypad from one phone to another phone. Now we can check how it's gonna work. Here, let's take this phone and this phone, where extension numbers are 055 and 220. Okay, graphical interface 220, placing them side by side. Now we can see first we lift this phone and dial this number 220, 220. You can see the other phone is getting the caller ringtone and it is blinking. When I lift it, it is shown that both these phones are connected. So my communication between these IP phones is successful. So I can say that my configuration is what I have done. My configuration is correct. Now let's check how the other phones are working or not. Now we can take this 275 extension number IP phone and 110 and 165. We can check them simultaneously by placing side by side. First we lift it and dial the number of 275. 275. You can see that the blinking so is ringing and the connection made between them is successful. Now 65. You can see here also I am getting the communication between them and both are connected. So I can say that the communication between my IP phones is successful. So by this way we can configure our voice over IP in a packet tracer software and simulate in a real scenario manner with a graphical interface like this. Okay then, thank you very much.